Stop, just for a moment, before the day begins. Before your mind gets pulled in every direction, imagine feeling calm, focused, fully present. You may feel your mornings are rushed, scattered, but what if today could feel grounded, clear, and energized? Just 10 minutes of mindful breathing to awaken your focus, settle your mind, and bring calm energy to your day. Feel clarity rising, calm energy spreading, as if the morning itself is welcoming you. Notice the soft light of sunrise, touching your skin, the gentle rhythm of your breath. Stay here, just for yourself. And let's begin this morning meditation for calm energy and clear focus. Now, bring your attention gently to your breath. Notice how it moves in and out slow, steady, natural. Let your shoulders soften, your jaw release, and feel your body settling into this present moment. Take a slow, deep breath in. Feel your chest expand, your belly rise softly. And now exhale fully, releasing any tension you no longer need. With every breath, you return home to stillness, to calm, to clarity. Each inhale invites light and focus. Each exhale clears space for peace. Notice how your breath brightens your awareness. Notice the rhythm of your body, the subtle pulse beneath your skin. How your breath connects you to this quiet morning. Stay here, breathing gently, easily, as calm energy expands through you and your awareness becomes bright, clear, and centered. Now, gently bring your awareness down through your body, from the crown of your head to your neck, to your shoulders. Feel each muscle softening, releasing, letting go. With every slow breath, the weight you've been carrying begins to fade. Your arms, your hands, completely at rest, heavy and calm. Warmth spreads through your palms, your fingers. Notice your chest, your belly. How each inhale opens more space inside you, and each exhale melts away the tension you no longer need. Your legs, your feet, relaxed, grounded, supported by the earth beneath you. Imagine a gentle wave of softness flowing from head to toe, anchoring you in this steady calm. With every breath, you become lighter, clearer, and yet more deeply rooted in this peaceful moment. As your body softens, your mind follows naturally quiet, alert, awake, resting in perfect balance between calm and focus. Now, bring your attention to your heart. Feel it gently opening, warm, calm, expansive. Think of something or someone you are grateful for today. Maybe it's a small moment, a smile, a quiet breath, or simply the gift of being here in this new day. Notice the feeling of gratitude expanding within you, like sunlight slowly filling every corner of your being. As you breathe in, feel warmth rising through your chest, soft, golden, alive. As you breathe out, imagine releasing anything heavy, tension, doubt, the rush of yesterday. Take a moment here to rest inside that glow, the quiet knowing that life is supporting you. Each breath becomes a soft wave washing through your body, clearing the mind, opening your heart even wider. Take a slow, deep inhale and exhale fully. With each breath, this gentle light spreads from your heart through your whole body, anchoring calm energy, clarity, and peaceful strength. Visualize carrying this warmth and gratitude into every moment of your morning, a quiet radiance that guides your day with ease and presence. Now, let's anchor this calm energy and focus with a few gentle affirmations. Repeat them softly in your mind, or simply let the words drift through you like breath. I am calm, centered, and fully present. Each breath brings me home steady, grounded, clear. I embrace clarity and focus in every moment. My mind is light, open, and awake. I carry calm energy into my day. Every action I take flows with ease and balance. I trust the rhythm of this morning. I move with purpose and rise with gentle confidence. Now, take a slow, deep breath in. And as you exhale, feel the warmth of calm energy spreading through your chest like sunlight awakening every cell. Each breath reinforces this feeling, bringing your mind, body, and heart into perfect alignment. Now, notice the card appearing on your screen, a quiet reminder from this peaceful space. Focus on what matters. Breathe. Be present. Let these words echo within you as a promise you carry into the day, clear, calm, and beautifully aware. Take one last moment and notice the calm energy and clear focus you've cultivated. Feel it steady in your mind, warm in your heart, and present throughout your body. Take a slow, deep breath in, and as you exhale, let the stillness settle deeper within you. Carry this sense of clarity, and calm into your morning. As you gently open your eyes, know that this calm energy is always within you, ready to support your focus and presence throughout the day. Remember, each breath can bring you back here to stillness, clarity, and calm. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. And when you're ready, move gently into the rest of your day with peace.